Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be trying a new dish. It's gonna be a really quick and easy one, and let's get to it. I'm gonna be following a YouTube video in my new kitchen. You're not gonna see it, sorry. You're gonna see this. Yeah, it's going to be spicy noodles. What they said is they need garlic, butter. I don't know if I'm gonna use butter, but here's my onion, my garlic, and I'm drinking a drink because I'm thirsty. I just woke up from a nap. Look at my hair. I know, right? If you don't know, this is Dominican drink. A lot of people don't like it, but I like it, so I'm sorry to you guys. So I gotta chop an onion, and I don't have a kitchen table, so I'm sorry. So I'm gonna be using it on my trash can. Not my trash can. The box the trash can came in. Hold on. I'm not gross, alright? Let me fix this. Here we go. I don't know how many cloves I need, but I'm just cut as much as I saw in the video. Nice. Okay, so now we're going to be heating up the noodles for about 6 to 8 minutes. I'm gonna do it like a regular person does it, because this girl was going ham with it. You know, I'm just gonna do it like a regular person. Follow the instructions, alright? Follow your instructions. So it says, boil 2 cups of water in saucepan. Add noodles and cook for 3 minutes. Well, we're gonna do this for a little longer, okay? So because I feel like 6 to 8 minutes is very long, I'm gonna start on the sauce. I need to fry the onions, add onion, saute until golden, switch off the flame and add 1 tablespoon of red pepper flake or coarse chili powder. Set aside the chili oil, adjust spice based on tolerance. And from there, I think that I'm just gonna be adding it into my ramen. I hope it comes out the way she does it. Maybe I gotta drain a little bit more of the water, but who cares? Not right now. Oh, she boiled an egg. I kind of want to do that, but I got the water heating up. Okay, pour steaming hot broth stock into the oil. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna take a little bit out. Maybe. I see what happens, you know? I'm gonna let that boil for a couple of, minutes. Maybe let the water like sizzle down a little bit, and then I'll add my ramen sauce, you know? I do want to hard boil an egg, so I might as well use that pot in the back. So. the ramen are good.